Imagine yourself enjoying a beautiful sunny afternoon, where the song of the birds accompanies the gentle breeze that brushes against your face. You are in your garden, your haven of peace. But here you are, overwhelmed by wild weeds, impenetrable brush, and stubborn thorns. This is where the Bosch AFS 2337 brush cutter comes in, as a true ally in your quest for the perfect garden. Hold on tight, because what I'm about to reveal to you could transform your gardening experience. If you're interested, don't hesitate to click the link in the description right now. To learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we select for you every day. This brush cutter is perfect for both amateur and professional gardeners looking to tackle large areas with precision and efficiency. It's especially suitable for those who need to manage tall grass, brush, and stubborn thorns. The Bosch AFS is much more than just a gardening tool. It's a true revolution. From the very first contact, you can feel the sturdiness and quality of craftsmanship that Bosch is known for. With over 7,200 ratings, it stands out as one of the best brush cutters on the market. Let's take a moment to admire its exceptional features. The Bosch AFS is equipped with a powerful 1000 W motor, designed to deliver impressive cutting performance. Whether it's mowing large areas of grass or tackling stubborn brush and thorns, this brush cutter doesn't back down from anything. Imagine the power in your hands, capable of transforming the plant chaos into a perfectly maintained garden. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. What makes this brush cutter particularly unique is its versatility. Thanks to its interchangeable cutting system, you can switch from the 3-tooth blade for the toughest jobs to the spool for a more delicate and precise mowing. This change happens in the blink of an eye, with no need for additional tools, saving you valuable time. Offline for a more delicate and precise mowing. This change happens in the blink of an eye, with no need for additional tools, allowing you to save valuable time. The perfect balance of this tool is ensured by an adjustable shoulder strap and an ergonomic handle. No matter your size or body shape, you'll find the adjustment that suits you, making each gardening session more comfortable and less tiring. Weighing only 5.7 kilos, the AFS is lightweight and easy to handle, giving you a comfortable grip and very quick use. Extended effortlessly. But that's not all. The Bosch is also designed to be practical and durable. The included components, such as the brush cutter blade and the spool of line, and the 3 cutting lines are all of premium quality. You can be sure that every part of this tool is designed to last and to provide you with the best possible performance. Speaking of durability, the Bosch AFS comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, which can be extended to 3 years if you register online. It's a mark of trust and peace of mind. If you register online, it's a mark of trust and peace of mind, knowing that you can rely on a responsive and efficient after-sales service if needed. Now imagine yourself back in your garden. With the Bosch AFS brush cutter in hand, you start trimming the tall grass, clearing the brambles, and sculpting your green space to perfection. Every pass is clean, precise, and efficient. You feel that deep satisfaction of seeing your garden come back to life, of seeing your efforts rewarded with a flawless landscape. And it's not just a matter of performance. The Bosch AFS is also designed for your safety. The protective cover and the additional handle give you complete control of the tool, minimizing the risk of accidents. You can work with complete confidence, knowing that every detail has been designed for your well-being. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price. Now let's recap the advantages, as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1, high power. With a 1000 watt motor, the brush cutter is capable of cutting through the toughest brush. Advantage number 2, versatility. The possibility to use either a blade or a spool of line depending on your gardening needs. Advantage number 3, ease of use. The adjustable shoulder strap and ergonomic handle ensure prolonged use without fatigue. Advantage number 4, lightweight. Weighing only 5.7 kilo, it's easy to handle. Advantage number 5, durability. Made with sturdy materials, it's designed to last over time. Advantage number 6, warranty. The 2-year manufacturer's warranty, extendable to 3 years, provides extra peace of mind. Now let's move on to some of the disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, dependence on electricity. Requires a nearby power outlet, limiting its use far from power sources. Disadvantage number 2, cord length. The 2-meter cord may require the use of an extension for larger gardens. In short, the Bosch AFS 2337 brush cutter is the essential tool for any serious gardening enthusiast. It combines power, versatility, comfort, and safety, all in an ergonomic and sturdy design. If you're looking to turn your garden into a true masterpiece, this is the tool you need. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. To learn more and discover the thousands of customer reviews praising this exceptional brush cutter, click on the link in the description. Thank you sincerely for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.